Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. After a long time I'm back with my new video. Today we are going to learn sentence and types of sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which gives complete thoughts and meaning. Thoughts can be statement, question, command and request. A sentence is a combination of two main things, subject and verb. Check this group of words. Ali walking is. They are group of words but they are not giving meaning and complete thoughts. Now check this one. Ali is walking. It is giving complete meaning and complete thoughts. This sentence is a combination of subject and verb. There are 4 types of sentence: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Declarative sentence tells information about anything. For example, Ali is teaching a boy, the burger is tasty. Interrogative sentence always asks question. Example, what is your name? Why do you go? Who will be next? How are you? Imperative sentence. It gives command and request. Example, do not eat toffees. Please give me my books. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence shows sudden feeling and emotion. Example, Hurrah! I have won the competition. Alas, he is dead. Thank you for watching.